point it towards me and see. This is my friend Charlotte, and she's trying out the dowsing rods with the cell tower. Now turn toward the cell tower. As you can see, they're wide apart. Here's the cell tower. Now she's going to get her cell phone and apply AFR. Okay, Charlotte is getting AFR up on her phone, and I told her to move it up and down. Okay, it's starting. Spend time at the top and at the very bottom at the equipment too. When you get to the bottom, move it side to side to get all of the stuff in. They're working on it, so I hope they don't add much new equipment soon. Are you feeling anything?
I am seeing some things.
Okay. Is it over?
I think so.
Okay.
Moving. It was kind of odd. I'd never experienced that before.
Okay, move it towards the... Looks like it worked.